Disclaimer to investors. This being the first public offer of equity shares of the company, there has been no formal market for the equity shares. The face value of the equity shares is 10 rupees per equity share. The floor price, the cap price and the offer, in accordance with the SEBI ICDR regulations and as stated in basis for offer price on page 114, should not be taken to be indicative of the market price of the equity shares after the equity shares are listed. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest in any funds in this offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Promoter and promoter details. Sbfc Holdings Pte Limited, Claremont Financial Pte Limited, Arpwood Partner Investors and Advisors LLP, Arpwood Capital Private Limited and 845 Services LLP. Business and brief on product service of the company. Company is a systemically important, non-deposit taking, non-banking finance company offering secured MSME loans and loans against gold, with a majority of our borrowers being entrepreneurs, small business owners, self-employed individuals, salaried and working class individuals. We have presence in 120 cities through 152 branches. History of company in brief. Our company was originally incorporated on January 25, 2008 at Mumbai as a private limited company under the Companies Act 1956. Subsequently, with the change in shareholders and the management, the name of the company changed to Small Business FinCredit India Private Limited in 2017. The name of our company was changed to Sbfc Finance Limited in 2022. Public issue size. Fresh issue of up to 6,000 million rupees. An offer for sale of up to 4,250 million rupees by Arpwood Partners Investment Advisors LLP, Arpwood Capital Private Limited and 845 Services LLP. Where the company is profit-making. Our company is a profit-making company and company's profits were 1,497.4 million rupees, 645.2 million rupees and 850.1 million rupees for the FY 2023, 2022 and 2021. Our NIM for the respective years were 3,789.38 million rupees, 2,542.41 million rupees and 2,269.03 million rupees for the FY 2023, 2022 and 2021. Our AUM for the years were 49,428.23 million rupees, 31,921.81 million rupees and 22,213.23 million rupees for the FY 2023, 2022 and 2021. Objects of the issue. The object of the issue is to augment the capital base of our company and intend to utilize the net proceeds to meet our future capital requirements, which are expected to arise out of growth of our business and assets, including but not limited to onward lending under our company's lending verticals, viz. MSME loans, loans against gold ensuring compliance with applicable regulatory requirements, payments of operating expenditure, and funding growth opportunities for above-mentioned verticals. Major risk factors. Regulatory risk. As an NBFC, we are subject to periodic inspections by the RBI. Non-compliance with observations made by the RBI during these inspections could expose us to penalties and restrictions. We are subject to laws and regulations governing the financial services industry and our operations in India, including laws in relation to capital adequacy ratios. Changes in regulations governing us could adversely affect our business, results of operations and prospects. Financial risk. The risk of non-payment or default by our borrowers may adversely affect our business, results of operations and financial condition. The quality of our portfolio may be impacted due to higher levels of NPAs, and our business may be adversely affected if we are unable to provide for such higher levels of NPAs.